Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a Binance account without KYC verification. So can I open a Binance account without KYC? Creating a Binance account without completing KYC verification is possible. However, this will limit your access to the platform's features. Without KYC, you will be unable to engage in buying, selling or trading crypto among other restrictions. So I think you must be able of KYC verification, and because it's important. And can I use my Binance account without verification? So identity verification KYC protects against fraud, corruption, money laundering and terrorist financing. So new users must be complete the verified verification to access Binance full range of products and services, including cryptocurrency, deposit, trade and withdrawal. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.